in this episode, we're going to take the Forester for a drive. We've got the laptop there so we can monitor everything. I'm going to warm up the car, get it out, give it a quick rinse off because it's pretty dirty, and then we'll head out for a little drive. Alright, having some issues with the computer logging onto it, so it's inside doing an update. Alright, let's warm it up, get it out, give it a quick rinse. Let's see. Turn the heater off, it was cooking last night. Short trim is way out, way out. I think 22 is the max. Yeah, got some work to do there. That's long term and short term. Alright. Get her out and give her a rinse. This will be next episode. We'll be working on this area for the catch can. I can't go get it tuned without the catch can though. Oh, we've got a lot of cleaning up to do. It's not really a sleeper when you can hear the turbo whistling already. Alright, I'm sitting at 84. I'm going to see how long it can sit here and warm up. Alright, so my laptop's not letting me sign on. I have to jump through some hoops. So we'll keep an eye on here. I can set up the gauge, or you have to set up the gauge through your phone, through the app. So, probably change some things. We'll see how we go. Once it gets up to 90 and the fans come on. The fans are on actually. No, it's not. The fans are not on yet. Now it is. Power steering fluids are bubbling. Not good. Alright, so we're going down again. We're down at 88. So sitting at idle looks good. Right, let's go for a quick little drive. Right, a little bit nervous. First daytime drive. Probably still adjust the clutch pedal. Just going around the block. Well, not around the block, just down the street. Oil pressure's at 50, 45, 50. Fully warmed up. Nearly hit the letterbox. Hopefully we don't, I'm not going to go silly. Well, didn't stall out. '86. Lots of vacuum. Second gear. Feels so stiff compared to my other Forester. I've got a limit too, I think it's 4,500. Nope, that went past 4,500. But did I raise it? I might have raised it. Third gear. Yeah. Alright. Temperature's 88. Pretty hot day today. Mid-30s. Intake air is 46, so we need to do something about that. Get up there. Alright, we're going to put the intake on while it's on. Well, that sounds how it sounds. Alright, so I'm just going to get the wheels out of the garage and then I'll clean up a little bit. I'll get the engine crane back into the shed and the old H6 will stay in here.